Quite some encouraging news there coming out of Konza, and you just need to go to Konza just for you to realize how much development is taking place at the Technopolis. While private sector players have backed the government's move to ban importation of used trucks, buses and prime movers, the directive in the National Automotive Policy seeks to protect and promote local assemblers. The Kenya Private Sector Alliance says the intervention will build the market for local products while lowering the cost of doing business for the global competitiveness of Kenya's products and services.
2021, Kenya's total assembly volume was at 11,000 units. The local industry is barely utilizing 30% of its capacity, which is 34,000 units per annum on one shift. KEPSA says the National Automotive Policy will ensure increased volumes of vehicles produced locally, as well as attract investments into the automotive industry. The association says that the local assembly will also reduce the cost of local business while promoting global competitiveness of the nation's products and services. According to the CEO, the automotive industry has the capacity to greatly contribute to the manufacturing sector's growth, as the government has set a target to propel its share of the GDP from the current 9.2% to 15% by 2022 as a part of the Big Four agenda. The KEPSA CEO said that the automotive industry had a great potential for creating more jobs than the importation of vehicles used. The KEPSA CEO said that the automotive industry had a great potential for creating more jobs than the importation of used vehicles. She said that for every job in the assembly plants, the industry could create between 5 to 11 jobs in the value chain. The policy that takes effect on 1st of July reads that all types of used passenger minibuses used in the country's famous matatu industry will not be allowed to be imported. Used minibuses common with corporates, large buses, single articulated and bi-articulated buses, and double-decker buses will also not be allowed. Reporting for Prime Edition, I am Ndutamu Kami.